Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve today's daily Leetcode problem 1432 maximum difference you can get from changing an integer. So this is an extension of yesterday's problem. So here also we given an integer num, and now we need to calculate two values a and b such that we get the maximum difference between a and b. Okay, so the task is to maximize the a and minimize the b in such a way that a and b have any may not have any leading zeros and must not be zero. So this is the only change from last problem. So let's see the example. So first example is 555. So to get the a value, which is the maximum one from this one, is to we will traverse from starting index, and whenever we get a uh, digit such that it is not 9, we will make all the occurrence of that particular digit to 9. So in this case the a value will be 999. We will change all the occurrence of 5 to 9. And to get the b as minimum value, what we will do, we cannot make all the occurrence of 5 to 0 because it is given in the question that it must not be 0. So we will change all these 5 to 1s, and when we calculate the difference from 999 minus 111, we will get the answer as 888. Similarly, for example 2, we have this 9 already, so it is already the maximum one, so a will be the same as 9, and for b we cannot make it 0 because it does not have to be 0, so we'll make it 1. So a minus b, a is 9 and b is 1, so 9 minus 1 equals to 8. So it's the same. So the only catch is whenever the first value will be 1, we cannot make it 0 because it will have a leading zeros. So what we need to check, we will skip if first value is 1, and if the first value is 1, so we will try to find another index which is not 0. So we will make all the occurrence of that particular digit to 0, and if the first digit is not 1, so we will simply take the first digit and make all the occurrence of its digit to 1. So let's see the code. So this is the same as previous one, yesterday's code, so I only changed this part. So initially we have converted this num to a string for easily manipulation of the digits, and then we have taken two strings, maxi and mini. So now we will try to maximize the maxi strings and the minimize to the mini one. So to maximize this maxi string, what we have done, we have traversed from starting index and until its digit is not 9. Once we find such I that digit is not 9, so we will make all the occurrence of that particular digit to 9 in this maxi string. So this is the inbuilt C++ function which is provided by the algorithm library, so you can directly use this. And the twist is here when we modify the minimum value. So we are checking if the first value is 1, that means we cannot change 1 to 0 because it will have the leading zeros. So what we are doing, we are traversing from starting until we get a digit which is not 1 and not 0, and when we find such digit, we will replace all that particular digit to 0. And if the first index itself is not 1, that means we have to change this to 1. We cannot change it to 0 because it does not have leading zeros. So we'll change all the occurrence of first digit to 1, and finally we are returning the result. Okay, so let's run this. Yes, it is working. Let's submit it. Okay, that's working fine. So let's see the time complexity. Okay, so it's order of n, where n is the number of digits. So it's a kind of order of log n. Okay, I think this is optimal one. Thank you everyone.